Shalom, back with another news report, back with another lesson. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakakadash. And that's like to give double honors to our teachers, the apostles, the elders of Great Millstone, GMS, who, who taught us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's been great examples to us in the faith. And that's like to give up Shalom to the elders, the bishops who's been laboring, Shalom to the elect. Thou should be visited of the Lord of hosts with earthquakes. He's had an earthquake that hit Japan a couple days ago, man. Said that 48 people got deleted. Why? Because every morning the Lord bringeth forth judgment. This was about a couple days ago. This was recently. This earthquake was a 7.7 earthquake, struck Myanmar. It says havoc on Bangkok streets from Myanmar, 7.7. More earthquakes in diverse places. And who's making it happen? It's the Lord. Isaiah 29:6. Thou should be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquakes and with great noise. Look, with storms, look, with tempests and a flame of devouring fire. You see those storms, those different hailstorms, those tornadoes, those hurricanes, which is a tempest, which is a mighty storm. The Lord made that happen. Hurricane Aaron, the Lord is making that happen, right? Those fires, you see those fires, those the flames of the devouring fire, the Lord's making that happen. The thunderstorms, the lightning, cracking the sky, that's Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. These earthquakes, they're shaking up different parts of the earth. The Lord is making that happen as well. Should there be evils? The scriptures say, it says in Amos, if there's evils in the city, it's because the Lord have done it, man. The Lord, man. So you still trying to figure out who's bringing these earthquakes? It's Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. It's like you better fear your power. You better fear Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. You can call God and Jesus because it's truly a fearful thing to fall to the hands of the living power. And the Lord got judgment going forth, man. You know? And I want to get something real quick. What's that? St. Luke 21:11. And it reads, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. And you seen some of those great earthquakes in the two video that I just played. The earthquake that hit Japan and deleted all those people. That was a great earthquake, right? 7.7 is a great earthquake, right? And who's making it happen? Who's orchestrating it? Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. This is more Bible prophecy, right? Prophecy of the Bible speaking, right? And famines and pestilence. And that's what you're seeing going forth, man. Okay? Throughout the four corners of the earth, but mainly in America, though. And fearful sights, look, and great signs should they be from heaven. These are things that's going to be playing out. You know? Before the Lord comes back, look, these things are going to be happening. And you're seeing it happen right before your very eyes, man. Live in action, man. But the point of that scripture was that what? You're going to have great earthquakes happening in these different diverse places. And that's what you saw in those two videos I just played. You know? And in this clip here, you see people trying to get out of Dodge. Even the dogs trying to get out of Dodge, you know? The ground shaking because of that earthquake. And it was the Lord who had it to happen, right? And that's in the news. More earthquakes in diverse places. Shalom.